CI Navigator is a coaching assistant designed to support Lean, DMAIC, and A3 project work. It works like a real coaching session to help you sharpen your thinking. While it won't do the work for you, it guides your next steps effectively. CI Navigator performs best when you focus on a specific decision or section. Instead of asking for a final answer, request feedback on clarity, scope, or logic. This approach mirrors real coaching interactions, enhancing your project outcomes. You can upload drafts like A3s, charters, or slides to receive coaching feedback. Files are session-based and not retained after your session ends. So, if you return later, simply re-upload your documents to continue. For large Excel files, CI Navigator works best with small, labeled tables. About 10 to 20 rows pasted directly help clarify your decision-making. Screenshots or pasted images aren't readable, so summarizing key data is essential. CI Navigator is not a general chatbot and won't analyze raw spreadsheets. It doesn't write full documents or provide automatic solutions. Its role is to guide your thinking and keep your CI work disciplined. If feedback feels too high level, narrow your focus and try again. This reflects how real coaching works and maximizes CI Navigator's value. It's designed to help you think clearly and move forward confidently.